Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap, Fruita, local and long-distance movers near me. Our services are trusted, and you don't have to worry about a thing when you hire us. Most moving companies always handle the transportation of belongings, but with us, we offer other services that are not just about transportation. We also offer additional moving services like packing, unpacking, cleaning, storage, etc. These services for your local move can easily simplify your move and make you focus on other tasks. There are so many moving companies that you can hire for your long-distance move, but one of the best to hire is 3 Movers. Choosing 3 Movers for your move guarantees you the best service available in the industry. The safety of your belongings is always essential when you're moving, especially if you have a lot of belongings and you're moving long distances. We are skilled in packing and ensuring your belongings are well padded during your long-distance move. We are outstanding at ensuring that we have the packing techniques needed for any belongings our customers are moving across the country. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Fruita moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.